Want to get more out of your assets and lower your total cost of ownership? The MaxGrip Asset Improvement Program will make it happen. We will help you think big, start small, and scale up. Our Asset Improvement Program engages the power of Industry 4.0 and secures internal buy-in to make it happen. We will start with mapping out your improvement potential, including possible benefits of digital transformation. All relevant disciplines and departments are involved. You will get a bespoke business case and roadmap, which are aligned with your company objectives. The next step is our asset improvement deployment, in which we realize quantitative results by deploying the roadmap at the right scope and with an achievable timeline. We work with your organization to improve the ability to perform. We ensure your people, work culture, and processes are streamlined to realize the improvements. Your systems and tools are also attuned to be able to report progress and results based on the defined KPIs. The last step is the asset improvement rollout, which ensures a full deployment at the plant or at multi-site level. MaxGrip's Asset Improvement Program. Think big, start small, and scale up for continued success. Contact us to obtain your improvement potential.